Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Let's dive into today's daily challenge on LeetCode and try to break it down together. So we have this question, it is really common. You are given an array consisting of only zeros, twos and ones and you need to sort the array in place. Definitely you cannot use the library sort function or use any algorithm that takes more than O of n time, because this is a question asked in interview, not in any online assessment. So let's try to see. The interviewer may also ask you to solve it in a single pass, so you should be able to do that. Let's try to see how it's done. So one simple method would be to count the number of zeros, ones and twos. So you iterate through all the zeros, ones and two. Whenever you get the zero, you increment the zero. Uh, when you get one or twos, you can increment them. Suppose you at the end you get two zeros, three ones and four twos. So you can iterate through the original array and store it something like this. So this is quite simple. They won't tell you to do this of course, but they but if you notice this, it involves two passes, right? One time you need to iterate through the array to store the counts, and another time you need to iterate to replace the values. So it requires two passes. So the optimal approach is to do it using a single pass, which may be asked in an interview, and it's actually really commonly asked. So let's try to see. So we are taking an example here, 202110. So we have it 202110. So what we do here is basically take three pointers, p1, p2, p3. So and primarily iterate the p2 value. The p2 value, whenever we encounter a 0, we know that it should be in the p1's place, so we swap these values and then increment p1 and p2 both. Then when we encounter a 2 value, then we know that it should be in the p3's place, so we swap p2 with p3. We do not swap the actual pointer, we swap the value stored at the array, and then in decrement p3 also. So in this way, and if we encounter a 1, then we don't need to swap it anyway, we just increment p2. So that's quite simple. You can see, suppose we have encountered two zeros and three twos, so the array will look something like this, and p1 p2 p1 will be here, p3 will be here, and this will be our unsorted portion in the array. This portion is already sorted to be zeros and twos. So that's how it is done. It's really simple. All you need to remember is this three pointers case. So let's just try to code it out quickly. The coding part is always the easier one. So we have the integer n nums dot size, and what do we have is three pointers, p1, p2 and p3, and we iterate till, so till what we need to iterate, till p2 should not cross p3. So p2 should be less than equal to p3. So p2 should be less than equal to p3. If we get that, nums of p2 is equal to 0, then we should swap the addresses of nums p2 and nums p1, and definitely we should also increment both p1 and p2. Else if we get nums of p2 equals to 2, then we need to swap it with the p3 value, the value stored at p3. Yeah, so we swap that, and also we must remember to decrement p3. And else if we get 1, then simply we increment p3 and nothing. So that's all. That is all we need to do. Swapping the things, and that's all. Our solution is done. Let's try to run it. So we do have a compiler error. We just have written this spelling mistake. Let's try to run it now. So we do have this accepted. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, we do have the accepted thing. Our runtime accuracy is also quite good. All you need to remember is that in order to solve this in one pass, you need to use three pointers That's the most optimal way, and that is going to be asked in the interview. This question is never going to come in an online assessment. This is only for an interview. So yeah, this was a medium easy kind of problem for today, but I hope your day is going to be really easy. Thank you so much.